Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to check out a quick cooking and a filling breakfast dish, that is the Oats Semolina Upma. Start boiling 3.5 cups of water in a vessel. Now add the carrot pieces and the green peas. Allow the water to boil along with the vegetables and let it simmer on the side. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter to it. After the butter has melted, now add 1/4 cup of rava or semolina and roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the semolina is sorted, place it aside. In a non-stick pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Add jeera or cumin seeds, asafoetida, urad dal. Add the cashews and fry them golden brown. Now add the green chilies. Now add the curry leaves, the ground nuts, and saute the mix. Now add the onions. Add a little salt and then water so that the onions remain soft and juicy. Now add the tomatoes. Mix well and keep covered. Cook covered for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the semolina or rava. Mix well. Add 1 cup of oats and give it a nice mix. Add 1/4 cup of curd and mix well. Now add the hot boiling water that has been simmering on the sides along with the vegetables into this mixture. Incorporate the entire mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add salt as per your taste. Now cook covered for 5 to 7 minutes. Uncover and your healthy and delicious Oats Semolina Upma is ready. Garnish it with freshly cut coriander and serve it hot with some pickle if you like. And enjoy this healthy and filling breakfast dish. Now let us take a recap. Ingredients for making the Oats Semolina Upma are displayed here. A complete list of written, downloadable and printable instructions are mentioned in our blog. Do check that out. Do visit our blog for other interesting and delicious recipes at www.thefoodmonologues.com. The link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this recipe, share with friends and family and give the video a like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.